Otumfuo channel. And up by it is now Euro that is AngloGold. Na omunkomo mono bi mo fa mo be kan ha the boy the best Otumfuo chairman na dia to renew that kind of the private. Me by so that you put from the by to me ensure once you the kind of sample AngloGold your managing director of was and your trust you Brunei very strong Africa in your minds or Africa in on the boss and Miss Mary boss you Alfred Marini boss you see half an hour yeah then about Anglo board also and Masama board
Manuel Pedro.
or about board
Head
head of legal
Edmond Group, AngloGold Ashanti Sustainability.
No, massive. AngloGold Ashanti Sustainability.
Eti MD chairman Otumfuo chairman Mr. say MD no your question can have then can be a can have there was a for private or something like that.
We remember Mr. Nathan and I said, we gave some photo from the Bay, your boy, your opinion in them, which the kind said the director kind, or what our director said, His Royal Majesty was 76 years. We want to take this opportunity to express the whole company's appreciation of what the Lord has done for him. I was there on Sunday during the Thanksgiving service and then the lunch that was had, and we want to pray that the good Lord will continue to increase him, give him more wisdom. We collaborate with whatever has been said that he is a pillar of peace for this nation. May he continue to reign and God grant him more wisdom. In terms of production, last quarter was also another good quarter. We did better than the same quarter last year. And so far production was going well until we had this incident. We had to shut down for almost 3 weeks. We just returned back to production last Friday and we gradually ramping up. This is to demonstrate to not only our crew but to the whole workforce that we really value the life of people. So we had to shut down for almost about 3 weeks to investigate and make sure that this incident doesn't happen again. That's the commitment from our company, that we make sure that this doesn't happen again. The next thing, which is one of the key reasons why we are here, was to take advantage to introduce again our new board non-executive director by the name Ms. Erini Benya. She's a seasoned lawyer. She's actually worked for AngloGold Ashanti before and has the knowledge to support us to move forward. This is coming on the back of Nana Otumfuo resignation, tenure that has expired, and we needed to replace that non-executive director. And the last one is to take this opportunity to thank His Royal Majesty for all the support AGA has been getting from him, and then the council, the executive direction that he normally gives to us. I rely on him quite a lot when I have anything to decision to make. And I think that the council of a leader with this structure, I usually talk to him about it and say to the council. So that's the main thing. The rest, I think, as we indicated, we would love to talk to our father in private and have that discussion. Thank you.
I'd just like to reinforce Sam's, the MP's message around your support, which has been tremendous for us individually and as a company. And we thank you very much for that, and we look forward to working together in the future. Thank you.
I hope you're giving the support to them here.
Absolutely.
That's what I need. All right. Anyway, thank you, and I welcome you to Kumasi, the team I know, and then I welcome Mirini. She's not new to AngloGold. She read 1999, she was still there. She came to my coronation and everything, and working with Sam and others at that time. During the transformation, she was there. And now she comes back as a director. That's a good choice that you've made, and I thank you very much for bringing her. And I'm sure your experience and everything will support inure to the benefit of the company. Sam has been doing well with his team, and I still have confidence in him. He'll continue the drive. He's doing well. I say to him, he's a young man like Akolanyame. That's what I call him. He's doing very well. I wish that it picks up again for the stoppage. You will still meet your targets as you go, because it was growing a bit, 200, 300 ounces. I was calculating. I charged him to be able to produce 500 and 600 in no meantime, but I'm sure he would hit that also. I've always believed in Obuasi to be a viable mine, and I say that always, that I believe in it, and I believe that it will work. And so all what it needs is steady management and support from the mother company, and that's what he's done so well at a point where AngloGold, this one was covering about 40% or 50% of your production, and therefore I still believe that what we are now, there's still deposit there that can still develop to inure to the benefit of AngloGold. So you've been in charge of Africa. I want all those assurances that they will be giving the support and encouragement to be able to do it very well. We have a good team, and the people who work there are all well trained and qualified to do it. And the human resource personnel here are fantastic. They're qualified to do it. So there's no gainsaying the fact that I have the trust and the belief in them to be able to run that mine. So I would encourage you, when you go back in your meetings and everything, to give them all the support and encouragement to do it. And I thank you for coming. I'm sure you came to inspect whether they've been able to put up everything right, and they have. So thank you. I welcome Mirini again and all the team who are here. I welcome you, and I thank you. Madam Legal, your boss is here now, so she will guide you in that. But I thank you all for the support and everything that you're doing. So I will listen to the private side and see what it is. So we can. Thank you very much.